Картофена манджа. Картофена манджа. This is the promised video about the delicious картофена манджа or potato meal dish. How to cook it? Ingredients. Продукти. You need onion, лук, carrots, моркови, garlic, чесън, peppers, bell peppers, чушки, potatoes, картофи. I used 1 kilogram potatoes. You can use slightly less. This is optional. Chicken breasts, пилешки гърди. You can make it vegetarian with no meat at all, or you can add different meat. So how to cook it? In a big pot, heat some oil, then add the chopped onion. Now, if you've watched my previous video about different dishes, you know if you add more onion, if you like, you will make it яхния, more onion. That's delicious. Then add red paprika. I'm telling you, the smell is amazingly delicious. Then the sliced carrots. Add the peppers. Now you can add, I used 2, it's still a lot. You can add more peppers if you want. Then in that case, the dish will be paprika or paprikash. We call it paprikash, which means there are lots of peppers, more than usual. Add the sliced garlic. In few minutes, add the meat, the chicken breast, sliced chicken breast. Stir again. Finally, you add the potatoes, and you have to stir all the time, otherwise it can stick to the pot. And finally, add the water from the kettle, preferably hot water. It can be cold as well, and cook it for about 40 minutes approximately. You have to check when the potatoes are ready and the meat is ready. Now the trick with this dish is that you have to season, you have to add the salt at the end, otherwise it will boil for a long time because potatoes absorb the salt. That's a hack. If you have a salty dish you are cooking and you accidentally put more salt than you should, you can add the potato will absorb the salt, then throw the potato out and you'll save the dish. Parsley, finely chopped parsley when you switched off, and it's done. It looks delicious and it tastes delicious. And it's ready to serve. Bon appetit! Приятен апетит! Приятен апетит!